Hi friends, how are you? This is Ernest here. Today we are going to review about a new software, Buzzify. Buzzify is a breakthrough software that uses a secret method to make commissions day after day for you using the trending contents and videos. Shall we go into the details by starting first from my bonuses? So once you decide to go and buy Buzzify by clicking the link below, you will be getting this earnestly splendid bonuses that are especially meant for you. We'll go to the bonuses, then we'll come to what is Buzzify. First thing first, I would like to give you the bonuses. First bonus that I would like to present you, which will be very useful for you in your affiliate marketing, is a great methods to rank your YouTubes. And bonus number 2 is the hot selling e-com items. So you'll come to know what are the hot selling e-com items that you would like to sell. Then we also have the bonus number 3, learn how to send traffic to your links, how to drive the traffic to your links. And bonus number 4, the perfect art of email marketing. So this bonuses will be definitely useful to you, I feel. And you also get the extra bonuses, extra 4 bonuses from the vendor, special bonuses, once you click the link and purchase Buzzify. So now let's talk about what is Buzzify all about. So as I told you, Buzzify is a breakthrough software that uses a secret method to make us up to $528 over and over again using the power of trending contents and videos. The trending contents that are successful. So these videos you can recreate legally and you can make money out of it. So no content creation, no camera or editing, technical hassles ever. It's 100% beginner friendly. Since you need not have to come on camera, there's no need of editing, and you're going to use the trending videos and contents. There is nothing for you to, except that you're going to rehash the same program. So let us see what are the other things. Create and post viral content in just one click. The videos which are already viral, you are going to rerun again. Click traffic generating systems. Legally use other people's videos and generate automated profit. So there is nothing illegal about it. Post videos and contents on 10 plus social media network in a single click. Create SEO friendly pages automatically. Built-in free remarketing systems included. In-depth analytics included. 100% newbie friendly. Make 5 to 10K with commercial license. Put most profitable links on your site using artificial intelligence. Integration with major autoresponders and social media apps. Integrate live chat on viral pages. No domain hosting required. So you do not have to worry about getting separate domains. Access to 1.2 million royalty-free images. Set and forget system with single keyword and A to Z complete video training included. So all these things you get for a price of $17. So you also get a coupon. So if you are going to buy it within the first 3 days, you will get it at $14 only. And you also have the other OTOs like the OTO 1, the OTO 2, the OTO 3, as well as your .com pal membership. So these are the prices that you will have to pay if you want these to be added to your. And what's more, we are also backing up with an ironclad 60-day risk-free money-back guarantee. If you feel the product is not useful for you, you are not able to generate any income, or you find difficult to use this product, no questions asked, you can get back your money within that 30 days period. So now when you click over here, you'll go into the sales page. Let's click here and go to the sales page and see what the sales page has to offer us. Yes friends, we are now into the sales page. So as I told you, it's a breakthrough software that uses a secret method to make you 528 per day over and over again. This is the power of trending contents and videos. The videos that has already gone viral, you can use it. No content creation, no camera or no editing, no tech hassles ever. 100% beginner friendly. Even a newbie can do it because he's just going to take the videos which are already trending. You can drive massive traffic and sales to any offer, page or link in just 3 simple steps. Find and publish hot trending contents in seconds. You have to find that trending ones and you can publish it. Then monetize the trend with the best offer. Sit back and relax while it works for you 24/7 even when you are sleeping. So no downloads, no installations. This is a cloud-based software, no prior knowledge required, and it's also 100% beginner friendly. Check out the floods of traffic which have already flown through Buzzify. Check out what Buzzify early users have to say. They all have a good experience having used Buzzify. It takes away all hassles and can make money with complete freedom. No doubt trending content is a winner in 2022 and beyond. 10 reasons why GOT Season 8 is going to change the series forever. And people are making crazy money using the power of trending contents. So you can do viral content site makeup online. Impressive. So these are the producers of the software, Ayush Jain and Nush Gupta. This prevents you buying expensive gadgets. There's no need of any camera, there's no microphone, there's no video editing software. So none of these you will be requiring. You just require Buzzify to make you money. Driving traffic to your content is the biggest challenge and costs hundreds of dollars. Problems do not end here. There's no surety whether your videos will go viral or not. You have to make it and you have to wait. You need to do everything manually and wait for things to happen. Devoting time equally to all tasks become almost impossible. So you need to hire somebody who's going to make, and you're going to pay them and you're going to share with your profits. That is if you make profits. But not anymore. With this Buzzify, everything is done for you. All you have to do is just find the trending videos and you have to use Buzzify to do everything else for you. Drive massive traffic and sales to any offer or page link in just 3 simple steps. And here are the groundbreaking features that makes Buzzify a cut above the rest. It creates an unlimited self-updating sites with the done-for-you hot trending contents like these. Find hot and trendy contents in seconds for any niche and spin it to make it unique. Legally uses other people's trendy videos and profits from it. Make trendy contents viral to drive tons of traffic. Set and forget system with just one keyword. Get unstoppable leads in your favorite autoresponder on the dashboard. Done for you color themes to create your beautiful and trendy content rich viral sites. and it is loaded with proven, converting and ready to use lead and promote templates and easy and fast editor. Market your contents in 50 plus languages in one click. In whichever country you are, you can use your language to drive the traffic. Create SEO friendly pages automatically. There is no need of any domain or hosting. Precise analytics included. Complete A to Z training. Video training is given in the software itself. And you can imagine that's exactly what you have been doing in Buzzify to do for you. So Buzzify is perfect for all these people: affiliate marketers, video marketers, e-commerce sellers, business coaches, daily product sellers, and so on. Bars, schools, churches, garage owners, dentists, everyone can use this, and they have literally no competition. So you can see the features. Most of the others don't have the features what Buzzify is giving you. So there's a one-time payment, commercial license. So it works seamlessly for any niche, all at the push of a button. Look, it doesn't matter who you are and what you're doing, Buzzify will help you earn. And that's not all. You also get the bonus, which I already told you that you'll be getting 4 bonuses. So the bonus number 1 is a .com pal, all-in-one growth platform for entrepreneurs that's priceless. Then you have the bonus number 2, live training. See how you can launch, sell, market any product, course or services. Fast and easy. This is for only the first 1,000 buyers. So you have to rush in. Bonus number 3, auto video creator creates your own professional videos in a snap, and advanced video marketing. And that's a total of about 2,285 in value. And also you get the free commercial license when you buy it today. Now this is going live at 11 AM EST on the 14th. So rush in and get all your bonuses. Get Buzzify for a low one-time price, no monthly fees, and if you use a coupon, you'll be getting it for $14 for the front-end software. And you also get the bonuses. The frequently asked questions. Exactly Buzzify is all about. Is Buzzify easy to use? All these questions are answered in the sales page itself. Yes, it is very easy to use, and it is a push button video technology. It is investment free because you'll get back the money in case you do not like the software. How do I know how well my campaigns are working? You can see it in real-time reports from your campaigns, which is inbuilt in the software. Do I have to install Buzzify? No, it's cloud-based, so there's no need to install. Will I be able to drive hordes of viral traffic? Well, that depends upon how well you make use of the software. If you don't make use of the software, of course, you cannot expect that to automatically do it for you. So you have to put in a little bit of effort. Will I get any training from support? Yes, you get a lot of training. Live training you'll be able to get once you buy Buzzify. Is it newbie friendly? Yes, it is a newbie friendly, 100% newbie friendly. And do you charge any monthly fee? No, not at all. If you buy it immediately, it's a one-time fee. And this is a limited time offer. So grab Buzzify now at 30% launch one-day discount. Okay, so now you also get this coupon. If you're going to buy all the OTOs together, you'll also get the discount. Okay, so go ahead and buy Buzzify, and I also will get into the members area, a short peep into that, so you also will know how the software looks. Yeah, friends, now we are in the members area. So your business name or your name will come here. Then you are welcome. Then it also shows in their dashboard the number of articles you have, the total videos you have got, the leads you have captured, and the total views. All these things are there in the dashboard itself. Then you can see the lists. All the lists will come over here. Of course, there is nothing here for me to show. That is the reason it is looking blank. Otherwise, you will find the list. Okay. And there are the other sites. So you have the videos. The category, you have to make the category, then the viral page, the tags. This is about the videos, and you also have the articles. Then you have the automation. Automation, you have to do the automation, seamless integration with the top content provider. So you have to add new automation and you can set it up. Then you can get the traffic. Social campaign. All are blank, sorry, since I have not done anything. If there had been some time, I would have done all these things to show you some examples also. Then monetization, how to get your viral videos get monetized. Then you have the library. You can have your files for the library. Total videos, video shared, lead captured, all these things will come on your screen itself. Then you have the article report, the stats. These are the stats. So at one glance, you'll get all the stats over here, the social campaign reports, everything. And you also have a full-fledged training how to use it. So once you use it, once you set it up, then it will be on autopilot mode. You can make use of this Buzzify software for earning a lot of commissions. Even if you are new to this, you'll be able to earn a lot of commissions. So this is about the members area, and we also have come to the end of the review. So before I close, I would like to show you once again about my bonus, and then we can conclude. So friends, I'm reminding you again about the Earnestly Splendid bonuses for you once you click the link below and purchase it from me. Thank you very much for staying with me and listening to my review. I hope you liked it. And put a like, then share, and also subscribe to my channel for a lot more reviews like this in the near future. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.